Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming admin access and a stable internet connection. That lets you change settings and install software. Once done, pick your remote tool, Windows RDP for Windows to Windows, VNC for cross-platform control, or any desk/team viewer for simple NAT traversal. Make sure both devices are updated and have matching security expectations. Now install the chosen client on your local PC and the server/host app on the remote machine. This begins the secure channel setup you'll complete next. Next, enable remote access on the host and add firewall rules so the service can accept connections. Once done, create an account or set a strong password, and whenever supported, enable two-factor authentication to prevent brute force access. If direct connection is blocked, configure port forwarding on the router or use the tool's relay/reverse connection mode to bypass NAT. Finally, verify the host's dynamic IP or set a dynamic DNS name. Now initiate a session from your client, accept any host prompts, and verify the certificate or fingerprint to avoid man-in-the-middle risks. Once connected, test essentials like file transfer, clipboard sharing, display scaling, and audio so the setup meets your needs. When finished, sign out or lock the host and confirm logs for auditing. If you cannot connect, first recheck credentials and firewall rules, then verify port forwarding or relay status. Restart the remote service and retry.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.